Hi there, today I'm going to answer one of your most pressing twin parenting questions. My name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com. The first week is chaos because you are getting used to life with twins. Probably these are your first children, maybe. They may be your first kids. They're definitely probably your first set of twins. And so you're getting used to what that even means for your life. The first week with newborns, period, a single newborn, a singleton, or twins is kind of insane because you're trying to get used to the transition from the hospital to home, to feeding schedule. You're waking up every couple hours to feed them. You're extremely sleep deprived. You don't know what's up or what's down. And so it is kind of chaos. I recommend that you get a log book to track the feedings. So how much you're feeding them, how long you're feeding them for, and their sleep schedule, as well as their diaper. Like, are they having a wet diaper or a poopy diaper? Because in the chaos and sleep deprivation of those first couple weeks, you don't know, you forget which twin ate how much, which twin woke up last, which twin had a poopy diaper. And all that stuff's important to make sure that they're getting enough food and everything's working properly, because when you go to those well baby checkups, it's the doctor's going to ask, how are they eating? How are they sleeping? How's their diaper? If you have a question about preparing for raising your twins, go ahead and leave a comment below with your question and I will answer it on a future video. If you have additional questions about preparing for and raising twins, I invite you to check out my books, Dad's Guide to Twins and Dad's Guide to Raising Twins. You can learn more about those books at dadsguidetotwins.com/books. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out some of these other videos for additional tips and tricks on raising your twins. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.